Well, this might be a little interesting. So, pretty much what we're doing here is we are playing Demolition on bots on veterans. So, we're gonna go ahead and play this, and we'll see how it goes. We just played a match earlier, just a few seconds ago, and we got completely demolished, and our raging was pretty funny. Yeah, you did worse than me, Turtle. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. So let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, go ahead and start the match. Yeah, see, the last game we played, we all had super high streaks, and we couldn't even get to them, so we're kind of strategizing this game, and we're using lower streaks with a couple of high streaks, that way we can get to them in time, and so we don't get spawn trapped as badly. Let's see how this goes. Probably not very well, but we'll do it anyway. Yeah, it is, isn't it 2v9, right? 3, 6, 9, yeah, it's a 2v9 on Demolition, so, and these bots are on veterans, so...
You go first, I'll watch you.
Oh my gosh. All of them are in the middle! Ah! How do they plant so fast? I swear I'm aiming in right on them with that emphasis. Oh! Wow, they're already behind us. They already have both bombs planted.
Are they spawn trapping us?
Yeah, nope, they're already getting us to the spawn.
I'm such a beast.
Oh god! No! 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 Oh god. Oh jeez.
Dude, oh my, we're getting spawn trapped by bots.
No!
I want to be on the other side. What the heck?
No! No! Oh god! What the heck? How is it they just sitting in the air? What the heck?
I just got quick scoped by a robot. Alright, I got it.
Wow! God, I hate bots sometimes after that.
Dude, I can't even get a guardian. Dude, right shield, oh man. I just... Oh my god.
No! Go! 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 I got it! I got it! I got it!
You got one? You got a score streak?
Yeah! I got B! Aw.
You just used B?
Yeah.
Oh, you're bad. They planted... Oh, defeat it. I think I got...
I died!
I got it!
I got it! I got it! Yes!
I just got stuck by a crossbow. Oh my... Hey, I'm on the other side again.
I'm getting spawned from
dead,
behind.
never mind.
Wow, they got him this time. Oh god. This is so bad. Who that lag?
Oh my god. Huh?
I'm lagging so hard right now.
You are?
Yes. Wow, we just got spawned so hard that we're getting spawned from behind now. I'm done. Wow, this is pretty bad. This is actually really fun. It's a challenge.
I think I can get B. I just got stuck again. Oh my gosh, dude.
I might get it. Yeah. I might get it. No! No! Right shoulder! No! Yeah, you say the right shoulder.
Alright. Stupid right shoulder. Oh my god.
What? What?
I do this. Going on strike.
Wow, I almost stopped him from planting B.
Get an A.
Oh yeah, this is actually really fun.
I'm about to die.
It seems like a bunch of BS, but it's pretty fun, honestly.
Why did he do that? He just killed me and then he stares at me.
Trying to prove a point. I don't know. God dang it.
I'm gonna stare at him back.
Ha! I won! Come on, get the fuse. Come on, come on, come on. I got it! I got it! I got it! Ah! Ah!
Did you die?
Nope, I'm still alive.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's too intense.
Alright,
oh my god, I got a lightning! I got a lightning!
You got a lightning? You got a lightning? Call in your lightning, please.
Aww.
Oh. Aw, call in
Kinda
your
busy.
lightning.
Hang on, I want to get all my streaks first.
You're not gonna get all your streaks.
I'm almost there.
I have no faith in you.
No! No!
Alright, call it in, please. Please call it in. Why would you call it? Finally, this feels good.
Aw. Alright, we're about to lose. Yeah, we're about to lose.
Yeah, yep, I'm getting spawn trapped again.
At least I got a lightning this time. Wow, he entirely missed me that whole entire... I'm done.
I was protected with my soul.
Ah! Ah, he's planting B. Yeah, you got it.
Oh
I didn't know who to shoot!
This is like the longest round that we actually have like defused bombs.
This is actually a really long time for how
I'm in
good
their
we're
spawn.
doing.
I'm in their spawn right now.
That's because they're like sitting in or I'm getting...
Yeah, I'm just gonna... Oh, yep,
Jeez,
no bots.
this is so bad.
There's no bots close to me.
Oh my god!
I feel bad for you. Oh,
Yeah, there we go.
they're coming. Hey, stay here, stay here, stay here. I don't want to go there.
Alright, whatever. You know what? Screw it. We're just gonna... No! No!
You know how you spawned on the other side? Well, this
God
is nice.
dang it!
No trouble.
Alright, you know what?
There's
This is
no...
our best
Hey, stay here,
strategy,
stay
is just
here.
sit here and wait.
Stay here, dang.
Just sit here and wait. We'll make it. We'll make it.
It's an automatic death for you if you walk out there.
Yeah.
What the heck?
We're literally almost about to get spawn trapped from the other side.
Where is he? Oh, I don't know where they're at.
I don't either. But I'm staying here. Screw it.
Oh, yeah, I got a rocket launcher. Oh, never mind. I'm needing a new weapon again.
What?
I'm needing a new weapon.
Wow! No, if it spawns me back. Oh my god. On the bright side, there's like only 4 people. I'm still getting spawn trapped.
Dang, that's a really good bright side.
Wow.
Oh
This is
my
kind of making me a little bad. Making me a little bad. I mean, I am.
I'm gonna put attack into it right here. I'm gonna put attack.
Ah! I would not go out there if I were you.
I got it.
I got him.
Dude, I can't even get a guardian.
Here comes one. Check it out.
Dang. So mean. Camping upstairs.
If I die, oh my god. There's like no one over here.
Dang it. Well, we lost.
I got the final kill though!
No,
And I'm
I did.
positive.
I got final kill. Check me out. Aw, whatever.
Yeah, this is so hard.
Wait, how'd you get final kill? We lost.
I got the last
yeah.
kill
Yeah.
for the round. That's all I'm gonna say.
You're just bad.
God. That's only the first round. Yeah, that's pretty... Anyway, guys, as you can see, I only played 1 round out of, like, the 5 rounds that we had because this would have gone on forever. I wanted to keep it somewhat short. As you can see, it is a lot of fun to play this game. I mean, I was busting up laughing, as you could tell, the entire game, which made the gameplay here pretty funny. I suggest you guys play this with just 1 or 2 friends, because after you get 5 or 6 people in there, it starts to become easier with all your friends in there, and you actually start to win. Because really the whole point of this game is to get spawn trapped and try and get out of it, which makes it difficult, yet fun at the same time. So thank you guys for watching. If you're all the way at this by now, somehow you made it through that entire video, don't forget to leave a like then, and if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. It means a lot. I put a lot of hard work into all my videos, and once again, this is Jacob Studs, and I am out.